Okay, and then you come down a little bit more, and that's where he stops. Isn't that what it looks like? Here's the opening price. Here's the closing price. So this is the opening, how it looks on a lower time frame, and here's the closing part, how it looks on a lower time frame. Notice how it's not disrespecting something like an SNR or anything. It's just like this. It looks like that. Okay? So this means the upward strength still has power. Yeah, Gordon, yes, there's more candles, but I'm just showing you how this would look on a smaller time frame. Right? So does everyone understand that? Okay, so it's important to know the universe below and above. To know when a candle looks like this, what does it mean below? So now you know the universe below, how it looks like. It can help you gauge what's trying to happen. Now let's flip it around and look at the universe above. Okay? So what's the universe above? Let's do this. Okay, chart should be cleared. There we go. Markets are going up. Okay, markets are going up, and then in an uptrend, suddenly you see this. Okay, what will this look like on a higher time frame? Here's the opening, here's the closing. If I put that all into one candle, it's going to look like this. Opening, closing, and then that big upward movement that got rejected. And this is all red in here. Yeah? So always keep this in mind. This is very important to know the universe above and below. That's what a candlestick is made for, to look at stuff inside of things. Okay? All right. So now let's look at some logic. Let's look at some logic. Now, yes, Raghunatham, order size is important. Now here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let me show you this. And you guys will answer this question yourselves, actually. Take a look. Oh, why is it still black? One moment. Okay. If there's a candle like this, it's okay. Is that an exhaustion candle? 1 second, there's a truck outside again. Yeah, that's an exhaustion candle, right? It looks like if it was a downtrend, it's going up. So, how many of you guys would say this is trying to turn the market around? What if the candle before this was like this? Would you say it's turning around now? Desiree D, very good. Okay, so now you guys have an understanding of an exhaustion candle. Everyone knows an exhaustion candle here. I think you guys been, using pro trading strategy and everything. So you guys know what an exhaustion candle is. It's made to turn the market around, but let's use a little bit of logic. Okay? How can the market turn around if there is a massive downward flow and the turnaround candle is very small? Because if I draw this on a higher time frame into one candle, what will it look like? If I draw this as one candle, here's the opening price, here's the closing price. So open from here, close from here, and a tail that big. Does that look like the sell is over? No. So you guys start to get the idea now what it means to look in the universe above and below? Yeah? So there's a lot of stuff like this where you have to just take a moment and be like, I see a pattern which I was taught. But what does it mean? Is it valid? Is it not valid? And this has a lot to do with understanding this information around it. Okay, so let's take a look at some charts now. Okay, so we've done some basic on the drawing board. Let's take a look at some charts and then we'll do some examples there. My screen. Okay, charts visible? All right, good. Let's take a look at some stuff here. Now, I can actually take a screenshot. Okay. Do you see my red circle? Yeah, so everyone can see the chart. Okay. Take a look at this candlestick pattern here. We've got two side by side like this. Okay, Sayla, this is TradingView. We got tradingview.com right here by Stan Bokov. He's the founder of TradingView. Nice guy.